Hey, hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will see how to fix RDP connection failed issue by modifying the NSG rule. First, let's understand why RDP connection might fail. The most common cause is an issue with your VM NSG configuration. The NSG might not allow inbound traffic on a port 3389, which is the default port for RDP. NSG always act as a firewall controlling the flow of network traffic to and from your VM. If that port 3389 is blocked, you won't able to establish an RDP connection to the VM. Let's start. First, we will try to see and we will try to create a issue first. So what I'm going to do, I am going to access my VM with the public IP. So this is my VM. Click on VM. I'm going to access this VM. So let's copy this IP. Go to the MSTSC, paste IP here and try to connect. So if you can see, it is trying to establish the connection. So here you will see, we are failed to connect RDP. Whenever this kind of error comes, first we need to check the NSG configuration. So what we will do, we will go back to the VM setting. I am going to cancel now this one, go back to the, we will see the network NSG configuration. To check the NSG configuration, you need to come under the networking. Under the networking, you will get the network setting option. So once you click on network setting, you will get the NSG name as well. So here you will see, you can see that NSG network security group called EMP-DBVM NSG. So this is the NSG which is associated or attached to the VM. So click on this NSG. So once you click on NSG, you will see that there is inbound and outbound rules. So click on inbound. So you will see that there is no RDP rule which can help us to establish the connection. So what we will do, we will create a one rule for RDP port. So click on add. So I'll put a source any, but if you want to specify any IP or any service stack or ASG, you can use a multiple options. So in my case, I'm not going to define any specific IP, but yeah, if you have a certain specific IP range, you can define that IP range to allow RDP connection. So in my case, I'll keep source as a any. My port range I'll keep as a wild star. I'm not going to define any specific port here. Destination same, I can keep any for now. Or if you want to specify IP address, you can put here your VM IP or something. Okay. Now let me put any. Now here you need to define your port. So click RDP. Your port number will come by default. So default port is a 3389. Once you scroll down, you will see the priority. What is the priority? So rules are processed in a priority order. The lower the number, the higher the priority. Let's say you have a deny rule with the number of 1000 something, and if you want to add a one another rule which can help you to take a RDP, for specific RDP protocol, then you need to put the number little bit lower. I'll keep the 100 as a number. Here you can define a name of your NSG rule and you can put some description if you want to put. Click on add. So once you click on add, rule will get created. So here you will see why it is showing warning, because in an organization you need to define specific source and destination. So right now we put any, but in your case you need to define source, whatever IP. Let's someone is using VPN, so you need to put the VPN IP, and you need to define your destination, that your VM subnet or something. Okay, let's go back to the VM. Now we'll try to take a RDP. with the same public IP MSTSC, and now paste this, and we'll see. Now you will see earlier it was throwing the failed error, but now it is giving a prompt for RDP. Same, you can use your credential. Here you can use your credential. Yeah, we are able to log in now. Yeah, that's it. So this is how we can fix the RDP issues. Yeah, in today's tutorial we gone through the create how we can create NSG rule for specific RDP. Also we understand the troubleshooting part. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.